Hello, fellow Python wranglers. Buckle up as we embark on a whimsical journey into the world of Python dictionaries. Imagine dictionaries as the magical wardrobes of Python. Open them up, and you're in a land where every item has a name tag, and lost and found is a thing of the past. In Python's wonderland, dictionaries are like personal assistants with photographic memory. They keep track of everything using key-value pairs. It's as if you could ask your assistant for Alice's age or Bob's favorite color, and voila, the answer appears without rummaging through a stack of papers or a cluttered database. Dictionaries are not just books with definitions. Oh no, they are dynamic collections where every piece of data or value is tagged with a unique identifier or key. It's like having a magical map where you can instantly teleport to any location just by naming it. Creating a dictionary is a piece of cake. You can start by using curly braces. Inside them, just pair up your keys and values using colons. It's like writing a shopping list where you specify both the item and its quantity. In this delicious example, our recipe underscore ingredients dictionary lays out everything needed for a cake, clearly and concisely. No more sifting through endless notes to find your recipe essentials. For those who prefer a different approach, Python also offers the dict constructor. It's like choosing between using a map or a GPS. Both get you to your destination, just in different ways. Here, contact underscore info is created using dict, mapping name to Alice, age to 30, and city to Wonderland. Straightforward, readable, and effective. Sometimes you might need an empty dictionary, a blank canvas for your data masterpiece. Just use curly braces or dict with no arguments, and you have a space ready to be filled with your data stories. Whether you choose curly braces or dict, both give you an empty dictionary, a vessel waiting to be filled with key-value pairs as your program evolves. To retrieve a value from a dictionary, you simply use its key. It's akin to calling a friend by name in a crowded room, direct and effective. Let's see it in action. In this snippet, we retrieve Alice's name and city from my underscore dict by using the respective keys. It's straightforward. You ask, the dictionary answers. But what if you ask for something that's not there? Like looking for a book in a library that doesn't exist. In such cases, Python will raise a key error. To avoid this, we can use the get method, which graciously handles absent keys. Here we use get to search for occupation. Since it's not in my underscore dict, get returns our default response. No occupation listed, no errors, no fuss. Adding a new element to a dictionary is as easy as assigning a value to a new key. It's like pinning a new photograph to your memory board. Let's see how it's done. Here, we've just added a new key hobby with the value painting to my underscore dict. Just like that, Alice's profile grows with another interesting detail. But what if we need to change an existing detail? No problem. Updating a dictionary is like updating your status on social media. You just post the new information. In this example, we've updated Alice's age from 30 to 31. The dictionary now reflects this new piece of information, keeping Alice's profile up to date. Need to update several details at once? Python dictionaries come to the rescue with the update method. It's like giving your dictionary a quick makeover. With update, we've changed Alice's age again and added her city. It's a convenient way to modify multiple aspects of your dictionary in a single, swift motion. One straightforward way to remove an element is using the del keyword. It's like pointing at an item and saying, "Be gone," and it promptly disappears from your dictionary. Here, Alice's hobby is removed from my underscore dict, making it as if the hobby never existed in her profile. But what if you want to remove an item and keep a hold of its value? That's where pop comes into play. It's like extracting a precious gem from a ring. The gem is yours to keep, but it's no longer part of the ring. In this example, we use pop to remove Alice's age from the dictionary while also storing it in a variable. Efficient and neat. And for those moments when you need to start from scratch, Python dictionaries offer the clear method. It's like hitting the reset button on your gaming console. Everything goes back to square one. With clear, we've wiped my underscore dict clean, leaving it empty and ready for new data. The simplest way to traverse a dictionary is by using a loop. You can iterate over keys, values, or both. Let's start with the keys, the labels on our museum exhibits. Here, we loop through my _dict, printing out each key. But what if we want to see the exhibit's contents, the values? To dive into the details, we can iterate over the values directly. It's like reading the descriptions under each museum exhibit. In this case, we're focusing on the values, the rich details about Alice's profile. But the real magic happens when we explore both keys and values together. For this, Python provides the items method, a way to loop through key-value pairs simultaneously. Using items, we treat each key-value pair as a unit, to viewing both the label and the exhibit at the same time. This approach gives us a complete picture of each element in our dictionary. Dictionary comprehensions provide a concise way to create dictionaries from iterables. It's akin to an artist swiftly painting a scene on a canvas, where each brushstroke adds both color, value, and shape, key. In this example, we create a dictionary where each number from 0 to 5 is a key, and its square is the corresponding value. Just like that, with a simple loop and an expression, a new dictionary is born. But wait, there's more. Dictionary comprehensions can also include conditions. It's like adding filters to your camera lens, capturing only what you want in your photo. Here we modify our earlier spell to include only the even numbers. The result? A dictionary of squares, but only for numbers that pass our evenness test. And that concludes our exploration of dictionaries in Python. With their unique key-value pairing, dictionaries are an indispensable tool in any Python programmer's arsenal. They bring order and efficiency to data handling, allowing you to write cleaner and more effective code. Stay tuned for more episodes as we continue to unveil the mysteries of Python.